Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I am Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to receive booking notifications via SMS for bookings made through your booking pages. SMS notifications are a quick and reliable way to stay on top of new bookings, reschedules and cancellation, especially when you don't want to rely only on email. So by the end of this video, you will know how to add your mobile number to your profile, how to make sure you have the right access to a booking page, how to subscribe to SMS notifications, and how to check SMS credits in your account. So let's get started. To receive SMS notification, the first thing you need to do is add your mobile number to your profile. For this, simply log into your OnceHub account and click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile Overview. On the left hand side, select SMS notifications and toggle this option on that says Receive Booking Notifications via SMS. Select your country code and enter your valid mobile number. Once done, hit Save. So, your account is ready to receive SMS notification. Next, SMS notifications are unique for each booking page and only booking page owner or editors can receive them. To check this option, simply click on the booking pages on the left hand side. Select your relevant booking page and on the overview page, you will see the name of owner, and if you want to allow someone else to receive these notifications, you will need to add them as an editor. So for this, click on the pencil icon and select that person's name from editors list and hit save. So once they have been added as editor, they are good to receive notification. Now to subscribe for SMS notification, please go to the user notification section on the booking page and check the box under the SMS. You can do the same for your editor, and based on your preference, you can select your preferred notification scenario as well. Once all done, hit save. Please note, if you don't have access, then an admin can grant you access to make the changes. Now, step 3 is check if you have SMS credits on your account or not. For that, please click on the gear icon in the top right corner and go to the billing section. Here on the licenses tab, you will see the box for SMS credits and it will be showing the number of credits remaining. Please note, in case if there is no SMS credit, messages won't be sent even if everything is set up correctly. So please make sure that you have SMS credits available on your account. And that's it. You will now receive booking notifications via SMS. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.